get a picture.
How you doing?
Here, Josh.
Wow. Guys, one thing I noticed about the new GoPro Mission 1 Pro is that even though I'm in the water right now, when I actually use my fingers to hit the back of the screen to do anything, it's actually very, very responsive. I don't see any misfires or anything like that. It's actually working out really good. So 10 out of 10 for the new GoPro Mission 1 Pro when you're using it in water, because a lot of times, as far as the GoPro Hero 13, yeah, sometimes you would touch the back of the screen to do anything to change modes or settings or whatever, and it would misfire. I haven't had that issue on the new GoPro Mission 1 Pro. So guess what? 10 out of 10 for the new GoPro Mission 1 Pro.
Yeah, that would be like